Good day student. In this session we will see the second program of the practical number 7, that is print a student's grade by accepting percent marks. So to develop this program we have to take input from the user as the marks of the student. Okay, after getting that marks we can give the grade for that student. Means suppose if that particular student has the marks 40, then it has the pass grade. Suppose this student has the marks above 80, so that student get the distinction grade. Okay, just like that we can give the grade to the student. So now we will see the execution of this program by using the Turbo C editor. So here I have already created new file and saved that file by using struct.c. Now first we should write the linking statement, that is include #include stdio.h. After that #include conio.h. After that void main. To get the input from the user we need one variable, that is a marks, and we can't pass the fractional number as a value of a switch case, so we are taking the input marks in the integer format. Now CLR SCR. After that we are printing the instruction to the student, that is enter your marks, and here I am giving one condition that enter marks from 0 to 100, means your mark should be between 0 to 100, double quote complete, bracket complete, semicolon. After that by using the scanf we are taking the input from the user. So in the double quote %d double quote complete comma address of marks. So the whatever will be entered by the student is stored into the variable marks. Now we can write the switch statement, that is a switch, and here in the expression, see here the marks will be like 80%, 75%, 60%. Okay, but we can't write this much cases, so here we should write in an expression that is marks divided by 10. So we can get the value from 0 to 10. So after that opening curly bracket of switch. So what will be the first case? So case 10 means if that particular student get the 100%, then, and again case 19 also means if that particular student get marks more than 90, so he can get the A grade, suppose. Okay, after that we need to write break statement. Next is a case 8. If that student get marks more than 80 but below 90, then he will get B grade. Now after that break statement. Now case 7. In the printf he will get C grade. then break statement. Okay, now case 6th and case 5th means what? If that student get more than 50 marks but less than 70 marks, he will get D grade. Then break. Now default case. If the student get less than 50 marks, suppose we have given fail grade. Okay, so passing marks is 50 marks, and after that complete this statement, and last one is a get ch bracket complete. Now we will compile this program to check whether there are any errors or warning. So there is one error. What is the error? The semicolon is missing. So after this break, we have forgotten to give the semicolon. Now again compile this program. Now there are zero errors and 0 warnings. So again execute this program. Enter your marks. So suppose I have entered 93%, then I will get the A grade. Okay. Now we will execute this program again. Suppose I have entered marks 60 or 65, then we will get the D grade. Why? Because for marks greater than 50, less than 70 has the D grade. And suppose I have entered marks 30, then it will give the grade as a fail. Okay, so this is the program to print the grade of student according to their marks. So you can also change in this grade also. Suppose if you want to display like distinction, first class, second class and pass class, then you can make the needed changes. Okay, so suppose again I want to show one input, that is suppose I have entered 100 marks. So again it will displaying the A grade. Why? Because if marks is 100 or greater than 19, it will show the A grade. Okay, so thank you.